Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay with Cash App. First, make sure your Cash App is updated and you're signed in and verified with Afterpay. Open Cash App, then tap the Discover icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. In the Discover tab, scroll to find the Afterpay Merchant Carousel and tap it to enter the Afterpay Shop Hub. From here, you can browse stores that support Afterpay. Once you select a store, you can use Afterpay for your purchase, and Cash App will handle the payment if linked. Just make sure you verified on both apps and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to use Afterpay with Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.